The Ferrari F430 is a stunning representation of Italian automotive artistry and performance engineering. Produced from 2004 to 2009, the F430 marked a significant evolution from its predecessor, the 360 Modena, and laid the groundwork for modern Ferrari performance cars. In this in-depth YouTube review, we explore the F430's design, driving dynamics, engine performance, interior quality, and the legacy it has carved for itself in the world of exotic sports cars. Exterior design and aerodynamics. The Ferrari F430's design is unmistakably Ferrari. Sharp, aggressive, and full of character. Developed in close collaboration with Pininfarina, the F430 features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The large air intakes in the front bumper aren't just for show. They feed the engine with air while cooling the brakes. The oval rear taillights, dual exhaust tips, and rear diffuser all contribute to the car's balanced yet aggressive stance. One of the standout elements of the F430's exterior is the transparent engine cover, which showcases the V8 power plant like a work of art. Every line and curve of the F430 has been designed with wind tunnel testing to ensure maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. Even after nearly 2 decades, the F430 styling holds up exceptionally well, remaining both iconic and timeless. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ferrari F430 houses a naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8 engine that produces a thrilling 483 horsepower and 343 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain allows the F430 to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of around 315 km per hour, 196 miles per hour. This engine was a significant leap forward from the 360 Modena, not only in terms of output but also in terms of responsiveness and refinement. The F430 introduced Ferrari's e-diff, an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, and the now famous Manettino switch on the steering wheel, allowing drivers to select different driving modes, adjusting the car's suspension, traction, and throttle response. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a high-speed track, the F430 feels agile, planted, and alive with feedback. The howl of the V8 engine, especially at higher revs, is pure symphony, raw and mechanical, without any artificial enhancement. Transmission and driving experience. Buyers could choose between a 6-speed gated manual transmission or Ferrari's F1 style electro-hydraulic automated manual gearbox. While the F1 gearbox offers lightning-fast shifts, especially in track mode, purists often lean toward the manual for its more engaging driving experience. Shifting through the metal gate with the classic click is one of the most rewarding sensations for any enthusiast. The F430 offers razor-sharp steering and near-perfect weight distribution, resulting in sublime handling characteristics. It inspires confidence through corners and communicates clearly with the driver. The car doesn't isolate you from the road, it connects you to it. It's firm but not punishing, and it encourages spirited driving with every touch of the throttle. Interior and comfort. Inside the F430, Ferrari embraced a blend of performance-focused design with a touch of Italian luxury. The layout is driver-centric, with all essential controls easily accessible. The leather-wrapped seats offer excellent support during aggressive driving, while still providing comfort for longer trips. Carbon fiber and aluminum accents remind you that you're in a performance machine, yet the F430 doesn't feel bare-bones or Spartan. One minor drawback is that, compared to modern supercars, the tech features are limited. There's no touchscreen infotainment or advanced driver assists, but this raw, analog feel is exactly what makes the F430 appealing to enthusiasts today. It's a driver's car, focused, purposeful, and unfiltered. Maintenance and reliability. Owning a Ferrari comes with certain expectations and responsibilities. The F430 is generally more reliable than earlier models, thanks to improved electronics and engineering. However, maintenance costs can still be high, particularly for clutch replacements, brakes, and regular servicing. That said, many owners report that the F430 is surprisingly durable if properly maintained. Ferrari also made strides in improving accessibility for routine service compared to previous models. With growing aftermarket support and a large enthusiast community, maintaining an F430 is more feasible now than it was a decade ago. Legacy and conclusion. The Ferrari F430 remains one of the most desirable modern classic Ferraris. It represents a bridge between the analog Ferraris of the past and the advanced technology of the present. With its striking design, exhilarating performance, and visceral driving experience, the F430 continues to be a benchmark in the exotic sports car world. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone lucky enough to drive one, the Ferrari F430 is more than just a car, it's an emotional experience. It speaks to the soul of motoring passion, offering a connection that few modern cars can match. If you're considering a used exotic or simply admiring automotive greatness, the F430 is a masterpiece that deserves your attention, on the road, on the track, and on your screen.